is TradersCafe live streaming from Bangalore. Today is 25th of September, time is 9:19. We'll be streaming our Algo strategy today. And I have put up various charts so that you can see how we perform on the charts at our office. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Those who are watching, one of you can confirm me. We're audible, okay? Say hi. Algo has already taken positions. I had slight hiccups with the stream in the morning, so I had to disconnect and restream. This is the Algo account that we run, takes entries right at the open. Little bit of expansion of the prices. Those who are watching, one of you can confirm if my voice is audible and clear. Very low voice. Okay, let me see what I can do. Is this better now? Is this better now? Sorry about that echo. Thanks, Mahendranath. Welcome to the stream. Slight push up into the yesterday's range. A little bit of strength, but there are reversals on the top. So a possible continuation right now looks unlikely. Today is Bank Nifty expiry, guys. The plan is not really to stay long in the markets. If there is a reasonable return, we're gonna take it, call it a day. And we want to call it a month. Gonna be going slow for the rest of a couple of days until expiry. I am not trading myself. We are letting our algos do their job. At the same time, we also wanted to show how some of our algos manage positions. Little bit of interest that came in yesterday with algo stream, so we thought we can continue demonstrating our algos performance. These are not to be treated every day profit and loss. These are time tested. This algo has been with us for more than 2 years now. It has been forward tested more than it is back tested. The range still is, by some of our indicators, is suggesting 54 150, 53 714. The strength that is indicated here suggests that possible reversal and a bounce when it hits there. It is likely to be tested, but it could mean a support zone. The other end of the spectrum is short, which has a strength too, is this one, 54 158. These are not levels as in you can blindly go short or blindly go long. These are the levels of possible reaction. And you can see here, this is a weak downtrend right now. And the signals have been indicating from yesterday that your bias on the call shorts could have been there. There's a plus addition, everything changed red. Although there was a spike up, these never indicated there is a possible listing. And before all of that happened, you see these red zones. This is where you get very, very early indication that this is a likely scenario. A little bit of strength again. What is interesting is to see how it reacts here and here. The daily, this is our point of interest. Yesterday's spike up and spike down are not a indication of a downtrend or anything. Those are normal retracements on a higher time frame. Everything is still higher high, higher low. Voice is not completely audible. Is this better now? Okay. Is this better now? We have to figure out what a best mic is. Alright, Algo has fought in the market, coming back to break even. While that runs, I ran a small competition on the Twitter yesterday, and I asked if you guys are interested. You can look at all our streams when we started, which is 23rd of August, and asked to put our P&L, what we have achieved in the last approximately a month of stream, and this is what it is. There is a gentleman called Raigur Option Trade. He put this, and it's very. I did not track these numbers myself closely. We did approximately 3 CR, guys, in 20 trading sessions. This is very nice to see, very pleasing. Nakul is asking, no manual trading today. No, I have not been trading from yesterday. I will not be trading this week. Good morning, Mohit. आप स्पेस में नहीं हो? Oh my God. Yeah. It's been a little chop. This is our Twitter profile. If you're not following, go ahead and follow this. You can see Mohit's space here running. It always runs, which is good to see. Our ranges for today with our indicators are plotted like this. Big reactions possible at 53,714, 54,1458, and these change a little bit based on the momentum and velocity. So consider these as zones rather than numbers. The indication is still weak downtrend, but a higher time frame is still Algo is still in positions. It's trying to beat that drawdown. Mohit is asking where is Tradeflow. Mohit, I am not trading myself. I did not trade yesterday, I did not trade today. I will not be trading for the rest of the week. I do not want to give back the profits I've made for this month. My trading will resume next month. Sanat Kumar Mishra Me 48. Can you parallel live stream with Tradeflow Trader? Tradeflow Trader is a nice name. That is me. I am not trading Sanat. So I can't stream that for you, unfortunately. I'm on a trading break. But I think it's also a good opportunity for us to see how, for you guys to see how our Algos perform. You have seen that yesterday. You can see it today. But our Algo, I will be in our Algo manager who manages some of these said we are not gonna be long we will not be in the positions for a long time. We might be booking out early and calling it a day. So that's his judgments, that's his side of the business. He has full control as to what he wishes to do. Nakul Rat is asking, how would you trade now if you were trading? Let me show you how would I do that. My positions will be here and here, triangles. And this is also the ranges that we have. And you can see the strength has diminished right here. When we streamed in the morning, I said the possible reversals here, which is what is happening. So the idea should be, if you have partials, let's say your target is 1%, and if you are at 5.5%, and if you are approaching an important resistance or support, it's better to book half of it, or exit most of it, and wait for a spike to happen and build your position in the spikes if you are into the selling side of the business. You don't need to be in the position and manage it and go through the pain of this. The Algo has squared up the positions. It has booked 1.42 lakhs. Sanad is asking, is Toxo used for Algo execution? This one is Toxo, but we have other things that we deploy Algos from. For those who are joining late, this is TradersCafe. We stream discretionary trading and algo trading. This is us managing the algo. I just got a confirmation from our algo manager that we're done for the day. We are not going to take further positions, guys. This is us. Pretty early, not bad. 1.42, although 1.15%. I think the decision is based on profit protection because we are up reasonably well through the month, and we typically shy away from monthly expiries. We don't want to be caught up in those bad spikes, ups and downs. Unfortunately, that was a crazy put and call side expansion yesterday in FinNifty. Day before yesterday, last 2 minutes, there was a call expansion really in the last 2 minutes. So I think it's a very, very wise idea for us to limit our exposure right now. The signal still changes. This is a possible range. That it can float around, and you also have references. Strangles have, in other accounts I am looking at, the traders beside me, strangles have almost made them 0.4, 0.5%. Most of the guys are wanting to close positions and probably go enjoy a cup of coffee and enjoy the rest of the day. Alright, since we are early in closing our positions, Algo will not take further positions. Is there anything I can answer for you for the next 10 minutes? All right, our stream has ended, guys. We have made 1.5 lakhs, and that is where our algo has closed the positions. We will not be playing the monthly expiry. Um, we will let that. We will let the pros handle it. Nakul is asking, can only consider only short based on BN and call options movement so far. I wouldn't do that. You would at least need some skew, some protection on both. You see this start here, that's a possible reversal out. You need to see this move up. It can float around here and form a range, can come back, and this is not the correct thing. This is the one. Do this and go back up. So these things that you have seen yesterday are very, very minor. Sanad is asking, from your experience, self-made Python execution on stocks, so Algo test platform is best trading. It's for Algo trading, good for Algo trading. All are okay. It depends on the size and number of accounts and the latency you want, Sanad. So you have to think about that. Hi Aman, welcome to the stream. We just finished the trading. I'm about to leave. This Algo has closed positions at 1.4 and it was just a customary position. We have made a decision not to participate in the monthly expiry. Sanad is asking, can you best backtest platform you use? To be very honest, I am not happy with any of the backtesting platforms. There is a slight change that has happened. There is no, at least from my knowledge and from what I hear, we're not able to basically backtest on tick-to-tick data. And with these moves, if you're not able to do that, you are getting very, very, very skewed results. There is a RSI divergence that is forming on the top also. Aman is asking, is Algo done within 30 minutes? Yes, it did see a little bit of drawdown in the beginning, but then it was able to survive that and get it back into green. And I was referring in the earlier part of the stream that we'll not be in the markets for a long time. It's kind of a day where, you come in with very small expectations, you achieve that expectations, you call it a day, shake hands, say bye-bye. Alright, if you guys have enjoyed the content, please hit that like button. It would be nice of you if you do that. No obligation as such. If if you want to be notified about our further streams, I think you have to hit that notification bell icon somewhere, which I can't see. But yeah. Sanad is saying Bakenzo also is now doing 1 minute data. No platform is giving. I have access to tick by tick data. You need to have a custom way of backtesting. Oh, it was there on the stream. It's 15 CR. You see this? You see this? So, yeah, no worries. I'm happy to share what we have used. And if you guys are interested, this is what we have achieved in our past streams. From 24th of September, sorry, 23rd of August is when I started streaming. Until yesterday, we achieved 3 CR. Live, every day. The average capital that we have used in all of this is around, I would say 9 or 10. I would say 9 CR because I've used 15 CR a couple of days, not more than that. It's a little bit interesting, like, okay, so this is, the range is very small, that's why it's showing that I'm in drawdown. It's not, it's been between that 10 to 50, the range. I am still open to some creativity. If you guys want to make this into a pretty infographic, a story that we can share, go ahead and do that. If that is something you love to do, I am very, very happy to send you some written gifts. Please check mine and share suggestions from Aman. What should I? Oh, you sent that? Okay, sorry, Aman. Let me do that right in front of you. Where is yours, Aman? Notifications tab. Oh, nice. How did you come up with this number? Risk reward is 1.23, expectation is 1.12. This is a good statistic, Aman. Thank you for that. Okay, so this is a very, very highly skewed number. So don't go by this, guys. This is the ratio is very skewed, no? Because in the hindsight, we did not have a lot of lost days. Yeah, I run a lot of data sciences. There is a lot of things we can do with this. But since we are only looking at 20 days or 22 days, we should not trust this. You have to aggregate data for a few more months and then start to trust these numbers. So what I would do here is I would put an axis on the X and axis on the Y so that you can see both of them. But well done. So DM me your address. See the push-up? Absorption of prices. Very interesting day it's gonna be. I would highly recommend and suggest opening your charts, guys, of premiums itself. Keep them, whichever strikes you are in positions, keep those open and keep references. Can we get access platform you use for tick data by backtesting? Is a question from Sana. I have stopped backtesting, Sana, from a long time. Because backtesting right now is not a clear reflection of what might happen because of the sheer movements that are happening in options. Tick by tick data is something we bought directly from NSC. It's very expensive. Unfortunately, we can't share it. And I hope you don't mind. I'm gonna go on mute for a couple of minutes, guys, and come back. I'll be there with you for some more time. Happy to chat. But I know a lot of people are dropping off. Not a lot. I don't have a lot of users on my stream. We only range around 20 to 30, but some of them are dropping because I'm not trading, which is okay. I am back, guys. All right. If there are no further questions or anything that you would like to discuss, let us call this a stream. Let us meet back again tomorrow. If we don't trade, I will notify that in the Twitter. It's a squeeze. Calls have held up value in the morning and it is also at 54 right at that point. So the positions are building up. There is when they are losing value without the underlying movement, even that is on the call side, it's basically supply is more than the demand. People are writing that. But again, nowadays everything can change in a matter of seconds. Alright guys, I will call it a day. I'll call it a trading day. I'll call it a stream. I wish you safe trading. Have a good rest of your trading session and be careful. Be careful. Do not expose yourself to excess risk than it should be. It's okay for you to not trade 1 monthly expiry. You can come back. And do that later. You all have a fantastic day, guys. This is us, TradersCafe from Bangalore, signing off.